So welcome to the hydraulics second class. So we'll see some other problems on the Darcy's equation. Find the head loss due to the friction in a pipe 1 meter in diameter and 1.5 kilometer long when the water is flowing with a velocity of 1 meter per second by using Darcy's equation with F equals to 0.02, that is. Here, the given data is that D is the diameter 1 meter and length of the pipe is 1.5 kilometers, that is 1500 meters, and velocity is 1 meter per second, that is F equals to 0.02. Then head loss due to the friction is F equals to 4FLV square divided by 2GD. Then you can substitute the values, then you can have that the head loss due to the friction is 6.12 meters. Then the seventh problem, that is the important problems. See, the water is supplied to a town of 4 lakh inhabitants. The reservoir is 6.4 kilometers away from the town, and the head loss due to the friction in the pipeline is measured as 1.5 meter. Calculate the size of the supply main and consumes inhabitants consumes, that is 1.180 liters of water per day, and half of their daily supply is pumped in 8 hours, and take the frictional factor for the pipeline is 0.03. Here in detail you have to take, that is inhabitants equals to 4 lakh, length of the pipe is 6.4 kilometers, that is 6400 meters, HR equals to 1.5, consumption per inhabitant, that is 180 liters per day, hence it is 0.18 meter cube per second, that is F equals to 0.03. First of all, you have to find out the total consumptions per day. That is, the consumptions per day equals to number of inhabitants into consumptions per inhabitant. That is 4 lakh into 0.18. It is 72,000 meter cube per second per day. The consumption is there. That is rate of discharge. So to have that consumption or to meet the consumption, then rate of discharge equals to, that is half of that, means that is a 72,000 divided by 2. It can be supplied in 8 hours, so the 8 hours can be calculated in seconds, that is 8 into 60 into 60, that is 1.25 meter cube per second. That is, let D is equals to diameter of the pipe, and we know that head loss due to the friction HF equals to FLQ square divided by 3D raised to 5. That is, here directly what happens, you can use the FLQ square because you know the rate of discharge. So you can substitute the values, that is F equals to 0.03 and 6400, that is the length, and 1.25 meter cube per second is the rate of discharge, divided by 3D raised to 5, that is D raised to 5 equals to 66.67, and D is equals to raised to 1 by 5, that is nothing but a 2.316 meters is the diameter of the pipe, that is. So next you can have, that is, I calculate the discharge through the pipe of diameter 200 mm, and when the difference of pressure head between the two ends of the pipe 500 meters apart is 4 meter of water, and take the value of F equals to 0.009, that is, here he has given the diameter of the pipe, that is 0.2 meter, length of the pipe is 500 meters apart, and head loss from the one end to the other end is nothing but 4 meters. Then F equals to 0.009. We know that head loss due to the friction HF equals to FLQ square divided by 3D raised to 5. Here we are going to calculate the rate of discharge. HF equals to known, that is a 4, and F equals to 0.009, L equals to 500 into Q square divided by 3 into 0.2 raised to 5, that is. Therefore, the rate of discharge equals to 0.0292 meter cube per second, or you can say that is a fraction, then you can have the lower unit, that is in liters, that is 29.21 liters per second. So now you can have, that is a and problem, that is determine the rate of flow of water through the pipe. The diameter is 200 mm in a length and 50 meter. Length is 50 meter, and when one end of the pipe is connected to the tank and other end is of the pipe is open to the atmosphere. The pipe is horizontal and length of water in the tank is 4 meter, above the center line of the pipe. Consider all the minor losses and F equals to 0.009, that is. Here is the interesting problem, that is you can have the collecting tank and H is the head over the pipe, that is. Then V is the velocity of the flow and D is the diameter of the pipe and L is the length of the pipe it leaving to the atmosphere. Here you can have the two losses, head loss at the entrance and head loss at the exit and head loss due to the friction. Therefore the Darcy's formula will be taken as, that is H is equals to 0.5 V square divided by 2G, that is the head loss at the entrance plus head loss due to the friction plus head loss at the exit, that is V square by 2G. So you can have, that is a V square by 2G will be taken outside, that is a 0.5, and 4 F is the 0.009 into L equals to 50 divided by 0.2 plus 1, that is. So you can have, that is V is equals to 2.73 meter per second. Then the rate of discharge is equals to nothing but cross-sectional area into velocity. Pi by 4 d square into V. Pi by 4 d is a 0.2 meter square into 2.73 meter per second is the velocity, that is. So the rate of discharge is 0.0857 meter cube per second, or you can say in the liters, that is 85.76 liters per second. Then next, there is a 10th problem, that is the water is flowing through a pipe of diameter 200 mm with a velocity of 3 meters per second, and find the head loss for a length of 5 meter if the coefficient of friction F equals to 0.021, that is. Here the given data is the diameter is 0.2 meter, V is the velocity, that is 3 meters per second, and L equals to 5 meter and F equals to 0.02, that is. So head loss due to the friction HF equals to 4 FL square divided by 2GD, that is a 4 into 0.021 into 5 into 3 square divided by 2 into 9.81 into 0.2, that is a 0.9363 meters of water, that is.